Here we are with your Clear Next Step intern, Lydia Magalhaes. About how long have you been working here?
Like 2 months.
2 months. And what kind of things have you picked up in just those short 2 months so far?
Being able to ask for more work. The first day that I worked remotely, I got done in like 2 hours and I was scheduled to work for 6. So I sent an email to everyone in the office and I said, hey, I'm done, I need more. And so that's been really good to get more, but also recognizing like how to pace myself, because now I have a lot of long-term projects, so figuring out how to get a little piece of all of them done and not feel overwhelmed, but like, oh, I didn't finish this thing. Well, I'm not supposed to finish this thing because it's a long project.
What kind of jobs have you held in the past?
A variety of different things. I worked at Hobby Lobby for one summer. That was super fun in the frame shop. I worked as an intern for a nonprofit last summer, and that was like running program, setting things up, tearing events down, that kind of thing. I've done some social media work for different departments at the institution where I go to school. I babysit. That's about it.
And how would you say your Clear Next Step differentiates from those jobs you've held in the past?
I think the thing that sticks out the most about your Clear Next Step as a work environment is how collaborative it is. The internship I was at last summer was pretty collaborative, but there were different people with like different personalities and kind of pulling in separate directions at times, not majorly, but enough to be noticeable, I think, especially when compared with your Clear Next Step, because everyone is on the same team, we're all working for the same thing, and like everyone else wants you to be successful. So everyone else in the staff is pulling for me as much as I'm pulling for them, and it's really collaborative and it's really great teamwork, which is exciting.
What kind of attributes that you've picked up here or are learning about here at your Clear Next Step will help and benefit you in your future career?
Definitely collaboration. I aspire to be a high school math teacher, and the education field is highly collaborative and is becoming more and more collaborative as years go on. So being able to see what collaboration looks like somewhere where it works really well, where expectations are actually said out loud and we agree upon them and we stick to those expectations, is something that I'm really excited about learning and have already started to learn to be able to take into whatever school district I end up teaching it, hopefully in the next year or so, and to be able to say like, hey, I know how to work in a group and I know how to make a group work better.
And lastly, what's been your favorite memory so far here at your Clear Next Step?
Probably the first day of work when I showed up and we were rearranging the office and like, I don't think people actually got a chance to say hello until later. It was just like, hi, start moving these boxes, which was really great and fun. And then we went out for like pizza afterward, which was fun.
All right, thank you very much.